Surah Al-Baqarah.
Verse 30. When your Lord said to the angels, I am placing a successor, Khalifa, on earth. They asked, will you place one who will cause corruption and shed blood, while we glorify you? Allah said, I know what you do not know. Verse 31. He taught Adam the names of all things. Then he showed them to the angels and said, tell me the names of these, if you are truthful. Verse 32. They said, glory be to you. We have no knowledge except what you have taught us. Surely, you are the all-knowing, all-wise. Verse 33. Allah said, O Adam, tell them their names. When Adam did so, Allah said, did I not tell you I know the unseen of the heavens and the earth? Verse 34. And when we said to the angels, prostrate before Adam, they all did, except Iblis. He refused, became arrogant, and was among the disbelievers. Verse 35. We said, O Adam, live with your wife in paradise, and eat from it freely. But do not go near this tree, or you will be among the wrongdoers. Verse 36. But Satan caused them to slip, and removed them from paradise. We said, descend, enemies to one another. You will dwell on earth for a while. Verse 37. Then Adam received words from his Lord, and he accepted his repentance. Surely, he is the most accepting of repentance, the merciful. Verse 38. We said, descend all of you from here. And when my guidance comes to you, whoever follows it, there will be no fear or grief for them. Verse 39. But those who disbelieve and reject our signs, they will be the companions of the fire, remaining in it forever. Unquote. Related hadith. The Prophet ﷺ said, if you were not to sin, Allah would replace you with a people who would sin and then seek forgiveness, and He would forgive them. Allah announced His plan to place humans as vicegerents, Khalifa, on earth. 2. Angels questioned, but Allah showed them Adam's knowledge. 3. Iblis refused to prostrate out of arrogance, becoming the first to disobey. 4. Adam and Hawa were tested. They slipped but repented and were forgiven. 5. Earth became the place of trial, guidance, and hope of return to Allah. Guidance points. 1. Knowledge is a divine gift. It raises the status of humanity. 2. Arrogance leads to downfall. Like Iblis, pride destroys faith. 3. Repentance is always accepted. No sin is too big to be forgiven. 4. Trials are part of life. Earth is our testing ground. 5. Follow divine guidance. It ensures no fear and no grief in this world or the next.